What's going on, y'all? So today I'm gonna be talking about this particular play that I took with Spy. Um, Today was a very choppy day. We're coming off earnings from Google as well as Microsoft, and they were both trash. So they both tanked. Took a while for the market to recover, but it seems like the market is on an uptrend. As you can see, Spy's already gained about a point for the day, which is pretty much beating yesterday's high already, at least at this particular recording of this video. One thing I wanted to highlight was this was a really quick scout play, so we're looking at about less than 5 minutes uh, that I held my position, and I also missed out on some moves early in the day just due to work meetings and the market also being very choppy and showing me a lot of fake outs. So I was a little bit more conservative today. But yeah, I typically also record my plays so I can go back and look at a couple of things that I missed in real time just to help myself, better myself as a trader. So I'm gonna dive right into this particular position here. As you can see, I'm already in the position. I'm in the money already. Not necessarily in the money, but I'm already in the green, essentially. I'm up 20% by the time I started recording. I got in the position once it broke this demand zone. I watched it take this run while I was in a meeting, and then my next goal was to watch the retrace, cool off, and then get back into it. So essentially, that was the strategy, that was the plan. I wasn't looking to hold this long, and I was just looking for a small gain, somewhere between 30 to 40%. Um, but I ended up getting close to 50, 60% on this position. But just to play it out for you, Um, the one thing that I'm looking at right now once I'm in the position is I'm taking a look at the level two order book. I love to see what orders are pending and what orders are being placed at what levels as well. That helps me stay in trades longer, per se, to get more profit, and also lets me know when to get out. Essentially, once I stop seeing orders in there, I tend to get out before the position switches on me and takes some of my profits out. So yeah, looking left, I was hoping it breaks through the prior high of the day, which is it has already done that at the moment. So right now I'm at about sitting comfortably about 30% profit. I'm also watching the level twos. So for instance, I'll show you a little bit about what I look at. So if you're looking at level twos right now, you see there's 1,000 order on the 24 level. It has broke that. There's 27 level has a 5,000 level as well. So it broke 27, and then 42 also has that as well. So now I'm watching it to see how it breaks 42. As soon as it breaks 42, I'm looking at my position at the bottom, and I'm already up 52%. Looking to get out at this position. I told you, like I said, I'm not looking to hold this much longer. Once I saw the 60% number as far as percentage, I just chose to get out of the position and lock in those profits. There's a saying that locking in profits, even if you leave some on the table, like this particular play I literally left maybe about another 50% on the back end because it traded sideways for a second and then it ballooned up again. But locking in profits is always the best way to go. And one thing also that I'm also learning from is making sure your losers are not big. One of my last losers was a big loser, but it didn't tap into my principal. It still just tapped into the profits that I've earned. So I try to also watch out on the low end on a 20% stop loss. So if I got in this position right here and it decides to start tanking, to be quite honest with you, looking back, the next level is going to be somewhere around this point. You can argue that point as well, but it will be somewhere around this point. And if it doesn't sustain on that level, you're looking at the VWAP next. So essentially, I wouldn't want to hold it past even this line right here at the 38, 384.60 line, just because this is options we're talking about, and these options they lose a lot of their value if it's not going your way. So yeah, that's a little bit about the video. $220 in 3-4 minutes playing options. Learning more about the supply and demand zone. That's something if you're watching this video, if you have no clue about, I suggest you take a look into that. I can make a video about that as well, what I see. The other thing I also suggest is also understanding price action levels as well. That's what these lines are as well. There's some price action level lines, and I like to make positions or create or exit out of positions around those points. Yeah, if you like this video, like I said, like, subscribe. I'll post some more. I have more videos of me trading, and I can even share my thoughts. So if you want me to do that, feel free to let me know. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and good luck trading. Peace.